Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary with a quick tutorial for those of you who have the MultiPro Tailgate on your GMC Sierra trucks, whether it's a 2500, a 3500, or a 1500 like we have here. One of the problems you might run into is with this area right here. If it's open and you drop the tailgate all the way down and you have a hitch down there or a ball in the hitch receiver, well, it can damage this area. So how do you keep that from happening besides just paying attention? Well, you hold the button down right here. And so what's gonna happen is we're gonna hold that down. I think it's for about 10 seconds. We're gonna wait to see the lights flash. And when they do, there we go. You can see that. Now when I push the button, nothing happens. And the good thing about that is that you can still open the tailgate in the conventional way, in such a way that obviously it's not going to be damaged by the hitch. And to reset that so you can open it again, we're gonna do the same thing. Watch for the blinking lights. Here with the tail lights, I'm just holding the button down, and there we go. We're set, we're ready to go. Everything is back to normal. So if you have a particular tutorial you would like for me to share here on the Vehicle Visionary YouTube channel, whether it's on one of these GMC trucks or something else, tell me down in the comments section, and I'll make that happen. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.